Hi guys, welcome to the Royal's balcony and happy Merry Feliz Navidad in July. I'm kidding, I am not celebrating Christmas in July. I think that as much as we love Christmas, that's just the modern nonsense. But I do enjoy drinking coffee from my Christmas cup, okay? I will admit you that I do enjoy drinking from this cup. This cup has traveled from the, well, I'm trying to remember now, from the Gulf of Mexico? No, from the other side of US, from near LA. While I was working on a cruise ship. It has traveled to the Philippines and then it traveled to Romania. So it made several trips. It's a dear cup to me. It came a long way. Sorry for how it looks. Let me take a sip. And now you can find it in my balcony. Why I was drinking coffee on my balcony? I was meditating actually of how to repot this darling cactus. It's called cacti. I received it from a friend, from a colleague actually, and a newfound friend. Thank you, Alexa, with this occasion. And it grew. It has been sitting on my desk in the office by my computer in this red pot, and it came out of this, yeah. So as you can see, it grew, and I realized that it's in a high need of a new pot, a larger pot. So I took it home with me. Now, if you've never traveled with a cactus, I'll let you know that it's an itchy situation, or if you don't want to make it itchy, you find whatever you have around. And I was lucky enough to find, left from one of my colleagues after they ate a soup or something, I found a jar in the office. So I was so happy. I managed to tilt it, to take it out and to put it somehow in this jar without getting hurt and without my cactus getting hurt. So now it's home. The tricky part is gonna be how I'm gonna take it out from there. If you're wondering what this piece of wood is doing, well, it's just here for you to have a better perspective of how tall my cactus is right now. Now, this is the jar, the pot it came from. It's not gonna be suitable anymore. I was looking for similar pots, but this, it's not much bigger, and I just repotted this little flaming catty, and it's doing just fine. It's settling in. I don't want to touch it. I looked with this occasion at the status of my other recently repotted flaming catty. This is a white variety, so it's doing just fine. I love these small pots, don't you? So these two are doing just fine. And they go back here. Okay, this one it's doing better. I just need to cut the all leaves. This is a sign of overwatering. I will not do that mistake again. That's sitting in the water. Let me focus. Okay, that's sitting in the water, doing well. This is how my balcony looks right now in July. It's in constant modification, and just a day earlier I was washing this wall. I'm trying to prepare it for a nice color and for a new look. This is, hello guys again, this is my avocados. Where are you? Where are you? Hello guys. These are my two guys, two avocados from only one seed. Look at it. They are another species than the other one that I have, which is not here right now. I got some mealybugs and I had to isolate it. It's in the living room by itself. I'm gonna make a separate video telling you how I got rid of the mealybugs, and I'm gonna show you the the avocados, the 3 different avocados, but 2 of one kind, these brothers over here, and they look so different. And these two babies, they are wonderful. They are look at them, lush green. They shout exotic. I'm from an exotic place. And these are part of my calamansi. This is my jasmine, Madagascar jasmine, that it's blooming. Look at it. Look at it. It's blooming and it's climbing up, or it's trying to. And those are my chili tree and my mom's chili tree that I have to take care because she almost killed it. So she gave it to me to save it after I saved mine, and she saw that we have a very nice production of chilies. I need to save hers. It's not hers, well, she takes care of it, my dad eats it. Like me, I'm taking care of the chili plant and my husband is eating them. Okay, back to the cactus. I'm gonna take it out somehow. I'm prepared with some tools, my aquarium, well, my husband's aquarium tools. And after looking desperately for a perfect size pot, not too big, not too wide, not too deep, I only found out this. So I'm gonna repot the cactus here. I'm gonna put sand. As you can see here, I have prepared some sand. This is plain sand brought by my parents last year from the seaside, Romanian seaside, and I still have some of it. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I will not have any, because the plants really like it. Why they like it? Well, I mix it with the regular soil, so it's gonna have a better drainage. So I'm thinking to put this sand on the bottom of the jar because I do not have lava rocks anymore. Usually for pots without a draining system, I put lava rocks on the bottom because they help retain the moisture. Of course, I'm constantly caring for these pots and monitoring them, so I'll never overwater those pots, but still the lava rocks helps a lot. Well, because I don't have any left, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna substitute it with this sand, and I'm gonna monitor that the moisture will not reach the sand, or if the sand is wet and moist, then I'm gonna reduce the water intake for a longer period of time. Anyway, if you guys know how this cactus it's called, like the scientific name or the popular name, please do let me know. I'm very curious. I love it. I never owned one, and if you know the name, please put it in the comments. I'll be very grateful. Now, why I never owned one until I received it a few months back from Alexa? Because my parents never let me own one. They said, you'll never get married if you have a cactus. It's the same kind of story like fir trees. They say it's not good to plant fir trees around the house. They are very beautiful in the forest, but they bring bad luck to the house. So something like this for unmarried girls. I do not know of girls that are married and still have cactus, but now I'm married and now I'm gonna take care of this this little fellow. I will take it back to the office though, because I really like it and I think he suits well there. If you're wondering what's that in the back, I don't know the scientific name. It's an aquarium plant that my husband wanted to throw because it has too much of it. He trimmed it and I prolonged its life by keeping it here. I have some snails there. They poop a lot, like a lot. And the plant is doing good. So I will need 2 hands, a pair of gloves, which will not help me a lot. I was thinking that I'm gonna put some stones down there in the jar, but I'm not really sure yet. And I'm gonna let you know, I'm gonna show you the final product. It's gonna be very funny to handle the cactus. I don't even know how I'm gonna take it out. It went in very... okay. It went in very easy and apparently it came out the same way. Don't worry, it's still alive. And of course, a very important tool, my mom's spoon. Yes, I'm still using it. Okay, I'll put it on pause and we'll come back, hopefully without me getting injured. I'm back with a little update, but I'm not ready yet. I just wanna show you how much sand I put in the jar, and now is gonna come the tricky part. Why little update? Because this tool makes wonders. It's very easy for me to handle the cactus. I'm gonna remove a little bit of the soil around it so it will fit better in the jar, and then I'm gonna push it, and I'm gonna still use this tool. So in case you have the same problem handling cactus, get one of these. I'll be back. So I'm back for good, back with the final product. This is how it looks like. I hope you guys can see it. So the layer of sand, the soil, and I did put a little bit of sand to cover the trunk of the cactus, so to say. I was not hurt. Who was hurt was the cactus a little bit. I used the tool that I showed you, and I think the grip was too strong and I damaged one of these little mustaches. But I'm sure it's gonna be just fine. This is how it looks like. I do wonder if those little white spots are natural or not. I'm just so scared of the mealybugs right now, that everything that looks like those, I'm just scared. They should not have developed in the office because there is no other plant around, but who knows. I hope you guys like it. I hope that you're gonna share with me photos or videos, but at least photos if you have plants in jars like this ones. And pretty please subscribe to my channel Inside Jungle so you will not miss any updates. I will tell you more about my plants and my inventions and my designs over here in the balcony and unusual pots in the next videos. Thanks for watching once again. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, a comment so you know you've watched it and you've been here. Happy gardening, green thumbs, and safe gardening as well. Bye bye.